Okay, so now we're going to use the pen tool and we're going to draw a shape with the pen tool. We need to get the pen tool first. The quick key for that is key P as in pen tool. On the toolbar down towards the bottom, you can see the pen tool is selected. We're going to choose shape, a fill of none, a stroke, we're going to choose a color, and in the book they got green. I like to call it Kelly green for CMYK, but you can choose any color, blue, pink. I'm going to go ahead and stick with the book green. 4 points, and we're going to have a continuous stroke, and let's see, make sure rubber band is not selected, and auto and delete is checked, and align edges is also selected. So take a second and get all your settings set up. Let me double check. And I believe that's it for right now.